welcome to the computer class. I hope you all are safe. Children, today we are going to begin with our next chapter, that is lesson 5, Microsoft Excel 2016. So let's begin. Alright children, so here we are. This is Microsoft Excel. Children, you have already learned in class 5 the basics of Microsoft Excel, and you know this is the most popular spreadsheet software, that is Excel. You can say 2013 or 16, that is the version of the Excel, and it is used to process complicated mathematical calculations, and we have learned few things in class 5 as well. So today I am going to tell you a few things that we have not learned in class 5, and those are the wonderful features, and you can just understand them and learn them. Now first of all, let me brief you again about Excel. Children, this is a table that I have already created here in Excel, and you can see here A, B, C, D, and these are known as the columns. If I click on A, C, this is whole column is highlighted, selected. That means if you have to select the whole column, you can go to the column header. This is called as the column header A. Similarly, B. If I click on B, see, column B is highlighted. Similarly, C. Now these are known as the columns, and they are known as the column headers as well. Now coming to the next, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are known as the row headers. So if you have to select a row, suppose I am going to click on this 5th row. Once I click this row header, you can find out the whole row is selected. Similarly, if I click on 7, and you will find out this row is now selected. So this is the row header, and that is the column header. These play a very, very important role in Excel. Now your table, your Excel sheet is based on columns and rows, and now you can clearly understand that column is the vertical line, and row when we select, and it is the horizontal line. Now let's understand few things that we have to understand today. So if you have the children select the whole data that is on the screen, you have to go to the control that is on your keyboard, and you have to use A. These two keys you have to press together, the whole sheet will be selected, and then you can make changes, whatever the changes you want in your Excel sheet. Similarly, one more important thing is, children, if we have written here, I have written here serial number, maybe 1021, 1034, 104, 5 and all. So this is one thing. See, once I select on this is selected, and I can make change in it, and it is, see, it appears in the formula bar as well. If I go here, I want to add a 0 to it. See what will happen. I have added 0. Now I'm going to click and find out it does not accept 0 at all. So for example, in phone numbers or maybe somewhere, it is very, very important for you that you have to write down 0 before the number. So if Excel is not going to accept, then what do we have to do? So there is a way. You will select it, you will write down 0 here, but before 0 you have to go to apostrophe, and this is a comma, the apostrophe. Once you go here, now see, you can find out 0 is added. So this is a wonderful feature. At times it happens that we don't understand how to get this, so this is the way. And one more important thing is to understand the date feature. This way, how to insert your data and everything in this. You already know it. Now coming to the next, we have date column here. Supposing we have to write down date, how will we write the date? That's very important, because date, there is a specific format for the date to be written. So what we can do is, I can go here, I can just right click on this. Once I click right click on this, I'm going to go to format cells option. Format cells option, once I go, I'll find out this table, dialog box. Now here, if I have to go to the general format that is by default there, maybe 25.08.20, then it's fine. But if I don't want, if I want some other format for this, I can go to for some other format. So here we have option date. Now once I go to date, there'll be you can see different formats here. Whichever format you want, you can just get that for your date. Supposing I want hyphen in between, so I can get this, maybe this, and I'm going to go to click on OK. Now whichever the date you want, 21 hyphen 07 hyphen 20. So this is going to be like this. It is going to accept the date like this. So this is how to get the date. And similarly, if you want time, you can go to the time again. You have to right click, and you can go to the format cells, and you can go for the different options. And here's a time also, and time is also to be selected what kind of a time you want, the format for the time you want. So similarly, percentage, you have currency, you have different options for the text also, so fraction also. So these are the options that you have, and you can pick up using format cells. So this is how you can do. And if you have to make a change in your text in any cell, so this is a cell. If I click on any of the cell, suppose here, so I can just if I want, I can change, or if I have made any mistake in the name somewhere, so I can go and change. You can double click on the cell and you can just make changes, right? So you have this change, and once you just go here, children, and you can just double click on your cell, you can find out here you have cross, you have tick, and this is a formula, inserting functions. So if you have to cross here, cross means cancel any entry. Supposing you have made some change and you don't want that change, you can go to cross and it will be cancels. These options also are highlighted automatically once you go to for this modification of your cell. Once you go, you want to edit your cell. So this way you can just make changes in your cell, and you know how to get the border of the cell. Selection is very important, and here you have this border. In home only you have border. You can just go here and you can pick up the border that we want. Generally we have this border we want, and we can just go to the border and have this. If you want to erase the border, you don't want to have this border, you can go down and you have border to be erased. You have draw border grid. You want to draw border grid yourself, you can draw it also on your yourself. So this is how you can create your borders. So this is a color. I have just chosen this color, so you can pick up this color, maybe this color. You have you want to have this color, you want to have green, you want to have this color. So whichever color you want, you can just pick up and just have it for your content. So then you have page layout. When you go to this, what kind of a page layout you want, and here are different colors. You can select different colors. See, again you can have any color that you want. Just now we chose this, and again it's very important to select. Selection is very important. You can give effects to your Excel sheet. There are various effects, extreme, glossy, so you can give these effects to your content, your Excel sheet. And fonts, if you want to change, you can have different fonts here. You can just pick up whichever you want, that is your wish. You can have themes also. You can pick up the themes. See, these are the themes for your Excel sheet. You can pick up and have that theme for your Excel sheet, right? So one more important thing is background. If you want to change for your Excel sheet, but here we don't have internet, otherwise you can get a background from the internet also, but I'm working offline, so I am here. So if I want to get a background from my system, so I can pick up any background. Supposing I want this background for my Excel sheet, so this is the background that I have at the back. So today we are going to learn this much only, and next time I'm going to tell you few more features which are very, very important in Excel. That's all for today, dear children. I hope you understood the topic well. And if you have any query, you can drop that query in the Google Classroom. So till then, take care of yourself. God bless you.